Well, we got another package, or let's check it out. Oh, good doggy. Welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we have something from Swiss Link. Feel free to check them out. They have a large variety of items. Swiss Link. So let's go ahead and get you out of the way. Thank you. And see how we can get this open. Oh, very nice. I did put some reinforcing cardboard under the seam of the box. Got the manifest. So we have just a couple of items. They are bagged individually. So what we have here in summary are two versions of the Italian Parka with wool liner San Marco pattern, as well as the San Marco pattern alternate color scheme. And both of these are listed as unissued, large, extra large size. So let's see. You can see here in comparison here, they even have Italian labels. This one from, I guess, 2002. You can see here some ordering numbers or catalog numbers that was used by them. And here you can see here the label for this one. Interesting. So both you can see here, different numbers. Battaglia 1, no year on this one. So let's see what happens if we open the tape part here. Take a quick look at this version. And I'll leave it up to you to decide which is the alternate pattern versus the original pattern. You can see slight differences already. This one's, let's see here. Again, look at the tag for the 2002 version. Let's see if we can find a tag for this one. Interesting how this one is stitched in, but this is actually a kind of a sticker almost. See here already, I see the green star on the collar. I see a drawstring right there. So far, I don't see a comparable year label. Let's look at the collar. Okay, so this is older. This might be the original. 1997. You can see here the wool liner buttoned in. Several buttons. This one just happens to be not buttons. They just did alternate buttons, but it goes all the way down to here. I see something right there. Drawstring. Almost like a hemp rope. Very nice. You can see already pocket flap. 3 vent holes. I'm just going over quick observations here. Button cuffs. Inner button cuffs, probably to help attach this. Looks like multiple buttons here. At least 3 that I can see. What else? What else? Another label here for the liner. Again, placing this in 1997, so match set. Very nice. And let's look again at the outside. Sleeves. So if the liner does have a bit of thickness to it, there's your cuffs. Notice one is tapered. Interesting. Pockets do appear to be symmetrical. 2 at the top up here, single buttons. You can see how they have this inner button there and the loop. Buttons down the front, down to that distance. You can see the hem style again. Slash pockets on the sides, and they do button up with the similar button strap right there. Let's take a quick look on the back. You can see here the location for the drawstring around the mid-waist kind of, as well as for the bottom. I can't really see any bellowing, and notice how this is stitched in there too as well. Very interesting. So then let's take a look at this version. Notice that the pattern of the later year version is much more subtle than the older version. Interesting to note, but already I can see a lot of similarities with the kind of rope hemp drawstring, but we have a different colored liner, I believe, here. And this is fully buttoned, so give me a second to unbutton a few of these. Along the way, I can already see the green stars. Notice this collar securing area. Let's see, we do have a similar one on the older version. Similar pocket design with the button straps and also the slash pockets as well. Symmetrical. Let's see if I can get all these free here. We can have buttons all the way down. Drawstring at the hem area. And notice, yeah, we do have a different colored liner. This one being more olive. This one being more tan. And this one having, again, the 2002 label, which matches up with this 2002 label here. Interesting little flap there. Let's see, we have something, yep, similar on this one. So a lot of similarities between the two. But again, this one, with the more subtle pattern, is the newer version versus the original version. So approximately 5-year difference between the two patterns. Still got the same 3-hole vents there, drawstring area there, and the hemling drawstring area there. So summary, 2 versions of Italian Parka with wool liner San Marco pattern. So this one from 2002 and this one from 1997. Both of these came from Swiss Link. Feel free to check them out. They have a large variety of items. Swiss Link. This has been another unboxing video. Feel free to check out other unboxing videos on the channel. We also do show and tell videos on vintage Milsurp tools and expanded topics. We do a selection of book review, media reviews, and a series called Curios for the Curious. Videos from our artsy type objects. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.